learn from your loss, it's just a victory, baby. I've done it all and seen it all, it's just a victory, baby. You gotta see the silver lining, it's a victory, baby. If it benefits,
What's up, team? We got the flooring being put in. Prep work is being done. Told you guys we back with it. No days off. Vinyl floor planks put in. We're gonna put carpet in there, like I told you guys before. I told you, yeah, we don't even care about compliance. We just put the house back together. You hear me? We get the land bank off your back and get it in. Oh yeah. Look at that. That floor gonna look beautiful. We already got all the painting done. And then once that trim go in, we're good. Trim gonna look like this here, had a test fit. We're gonna keep it cheap, keep it on a budget. We're gonna just go ahead. We're not going all out with the trim. Keep it plain Jane, simple. And then after everything is done, we're going to, of course, get a clean up on it. Get everything cleaned up, mopped up, get these vent covers on, and go from there. Yeah. So we're getting all that stuff done, getting all the prep work done. This is, of course, the kitchen area here. Getting all that prep work done. It looks good. What's up, team? It's your boy Cal with another one. We here back on site. Let's get it. I'm excited. Man, it's been a crazy week and it just started. So let's talk about it. So, of course, we did the walkthrough with the final inspection with the Detroit Land Bank. And guess what? You guys saw the date of the video. We just received confirmation that the inspection passed. So now she's going to be receiving her ROE, or no, it's ROI, release of interest. It says 4 to 6 weeks. That's what it says on the email. I'll ask her if it's okay for me to put it on the YouTube to show you guys what it says. But at the end of the day, regardless of the fact, we still finishing the property. We got brand new floors in. Let's talk about it. We got brand new floors. The floors have been installed. Yeah. Y'all remember how it looked? Ooh. We got new floors installed. New vinyl floors. We ready. Kitchen, all my design. Okay, we got a base. We ready to put the trim in. We ready to get this boy rented out. Yep, new floors. New floors and carpet. Carpet in the bedroom. Getting that done right now. Gonna be carpet in that room there. This is what it looks like when you tie in with somebody that's a real land bank guru. Stop playing and going to them other people, man. Y'all need to stop playing with me. We get your house together, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? So, at the end of the day, hard work and dedication. So, we're getting this thing ready, and we're gonna go from there. So, we waiting, gonna be waiting on, so after that, shit, I got a call coming in, hold on. Everybody wanna call me when I get on the dang on thing. All right, let me pause this. Yeah, it look good. It look good. I hate when people be calling my phone. I be sitting there, gotta answer the calls, but let's see here. So, man, this thing look good. This look good. You hear me? This looks good. We did that. The real land bank team. It's floor day, baby. It is floor day. It is floor day. And we did a shower insert here, but I almost want to go back and take this shower insert, take this out and put ceramic tile in. I just haven't made my mind up, but I guess we can just leave it. I don't know. But the recess lights look good. Transition, one whole piece. Oh yeah. I'm hit. We lit. We lit. We lit. So, let's see here. So, I don't even know what to talk about. All I know is that it's going down. It's a good day. It's blessings. So the next thing left in here is after the carpet gets done, we're going to be focusing on the trim and baseboard molding and all that stuff. We're going to get that in, and actually I have to add a outlet for electric stove. So I got to add that. Then we need to get countertops. So I need to go get cabinets. Ooh, I gotta get cabinets. Okay, so the refrigerator's going here, and then we need a cabinet in between where the refrigerator is and the stove, because it's a 30-inch stove. You don't want the stove right next to the... Okay, all right, so the stove is gonna go right here, refrigerator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to postpone putting the trim on this wall here, because we need to put the cabinets here. We got an overhead cabinet and so it's gonna be a 30 on top with a long cabinet and a cabinet in the middle. So a cabinet in the middle and then a cabinet. So we got 30. So we need to get a small skinny cabinet for here. Okay. All right, so I gotta put that together. So we need to get cabinets. So we're gonna need two cabinets with an overhead. Because I put an outlet up there for the microwave. And then we got the refrigerator. Alrighty, so I gotta do that. Alright. Hey, so alright, so I gotta put that stuff together. And I wonder if I got enough space to put. So if I do overhead, we do a little counter here, a little cabinet here, and then we go up that way. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move that over some. Decisions. Because you really don't want your stove right up against a wall. So I really could have took out the, no, I couldn't have took out this wall, because this wall right here couldn't take this out. All right, decisions. All right, guys, so that's it for today, and let's get it. So I gotta put this kitchen together. So we're gonna go over with overhead cabinets, go with cabinets overhead, and so I'm gonna measure this stuff out, and we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it. Get cabinets. We're gonna paint the cabinets. So I get the unfinished wood cabinets. So we're gonna paint the cabinets white. Do cabinets over here. Probably do two cabinets there. One over this way, and then refrigerator. We're gonna probably do a cabinet here over, and then probably just keep it simple. But I wanted to probably have a cabinet on the other side of this. So I have to figure that out. So, I don't know. So, alrighty. Well, I'm out. Till next time, Of course, this video was helpful for you. I call it get the land bank off your back. And Teresa, we have gotten the land bank off your back, and this house is 110% yours. Thank you for allowing me to giving me the pleasure to rehab your property, and we still done. It's gonna be siding trim, and baseboards and kitchen, and after that we're done. That's it. That's all she wrote. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh man, I'm tired. I've been out all day. So, all right, till next time.